Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dias Wahyu Ramdhani from International 2. Now I will explain about the effect of brand awareness and electronic word of mouth in social media YouTube toward on purchasing decision process on Xiaomi brand. Next. This is the outline of the presentation. I will be explaining it. The first is chapter 1. This is about the company profile. Xiaomi NC is a private electronic company from China, headquartered in Beijing, that is dedicated to creating a user experience from all aspects. Founded in 2010, the company has quickly become one of China's leading technology company. Xiaomi is the third largest smartphone distribution in the world that design, development, mobile application, and consumer electronic. Since releasing its first smartphone in August 2011, Xiaomi has gained market share in mainland China. The founder and CEO of Xiaomi is the Lei Jun, who is the 23rd richest person in China according to Forbes. The company is now valued at over to 10 billion US dollar and has more than 5,000 employees, origin from China, Malaysia, Singapore, India, Philippines, and Indonesia. Next. This is a research background. Based on the statistical data above, social media YouTube is one of the most popular platform in Indonesia. Starting from the age of 16 to 64 years old, the percentage of user YouTube social media reaches at the 88% and is followed by WhatsApp at 84% and Facebook at 82%, and the last is Instagram at 79%. In this case, based on this data, all social media users in Indonesia have experienced an increase of 116 million users in January 2020, an increase in social media users by 12 million, or increase for 80.1% between April 2019 and January at 2020. Next, based on this data, it can be seen that during Q1 2020, the smartphone brand that consumers are most interested in Indonesia is Oppo, with a unit share of 24% and the annual report of plus 39%. In second place, followed by the Samsung brand, with a unit share of 19% and annual growth of minus 5%. Then in the third and fourth place are the Vivo and Xiaomi brand, with share unit of 19% for the Vivo and 18% for the Xiaomi, respectively, and annual growth of plus 70% for Vivo and plus 37% for Xiaomi. And in the last sequence, there is the Realme brand, with a unit share of 12% and annual growth of plus 39%. For the future growth, it is the estimate that Oppo will be continue to lead as the top smartphone brand in Indonesia. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi brand itself will be still occupy the second or third position, because when viewed from the unit share, it is still very different from the Oppo brand share unit, which is a difference of 6%. The increasing need for the smartphone causes competition between smartphone companies. The increased number of smartphone companies that offer products with various features and quality make consumers have to be selective in choosing. Diverse brand alternatives often make consumers look references through opinion in the community about a product. Next, this is a formulation of problem. The first is, how is the influence of brand awareness on purchasing decision on the Xiaomi smartphone brand? The second is, how is the effect of electronic word of mouth on purchasing decision on Xiaomi smartphone brand? The third, how does social media YouTube influence to the purchasing decision of the Xiaomi smartphone brand? And the last, how are the simultaneous influence of the brand awareness, electronic word of mouth, and social media YouTube on purchasing decision on the Xiaomi smartphone brand? This is the research purpose. The first is to determine the influence of brand awareness on purchasing decision on the Xiaomi smartphone brand. The second, to find out the influence between the electronic word of mouth on purchasing decision on the Xiaomi smartphone brand. The third, to find out the influence of social media YouTube on purchasing decision on the Xiaomi smartphone brand. And the last, to determine the influence of brand awareness, electronic word of mouth, and social media YouTube simultaneous on purchasing decision on the Xiaomi smartphone brand. The second chapter is about literature review. The first is brand awareness. According to Hasbun and Ruswanti, brand awareness is the brand ability to appear in the mind of the consumer when they think about certain product and how easily that product appear. Brand awareness is the fundamental dimension in brand equity. A brand has no equity until consumer become aware of the brand's existence. The new brand must be able to achieve brand awareness and maintain brand awareness of all brands, so that consumer can remember a brand even though the consumer does not use the product that was used repeatedly before. The second is about electronic word of mouth. In the marketing concept, word of mouth is defined as face-to-face conversation between consumer about a product or services experience, according to Sen and Lehman. However, rapid technological advance encourage consumer to share information related to products that have been used via the internet, thereby increasing the potential for the electronic word of mouth. The third is about purchasing decision. The tendency of the influence of product, services, and location on purchasing decision made by this consumer aspect of consumer behavior. According to Philip Kotler, purchasing decision is a problem-solving process consisting of analyzing or recognizing needs and wants, searching for information, assessing selection sources for the alternative purchase, purchasing decision, and post-purchase behavior. And the last is about social media marketing. According to Kotler, social media marketing is a means for consumer to share text, image, audio, and video information with each other and with companies and vice versa. According to Kaplan and Hanlon, social media marketing is a technique that uses social media as a means to promote a product. Next, this is a previous research. In this research, I use previous research, 3 previous research from the national and 5 previous research from the international. This is the research framework. On this research, I have 3 variables. The first is brand awareness as a variable X, and the electronic word of mouth as the variable x2, and the last is purchasing decision as a variable y. Next, this is the hypothesis. For the H1, brand awareness has positive effect on purchasing decision. For the H2, word of mouth has a positive effect on purchasing decision. For the H3, social media YouTube has a positive effect on purchasing decision. And the last is for the H4, brand awareness, word of mouth, and social media YouTube simultaneously have a positive effect on purchasing decision. Next is the chapter 3 about the research methodology. Type of research. The type of research used in this research is descriptive quantitative. This research consists of 3 variables. The first variable is independent variable is brand awareness and electronic word of mouth, and the second is dependent variable is the purchase decision. Next is the variable operation. The first is variable independent. Independent variable are the variable that affect the emergence or change of the dependent variable. According to Sugiono, the dependent variable in this study are brand awareness and electronic word of mouth. The second is variable dependent variable. Dependent variable is a variable that is influenced or is the result of the existence of an independent variable. According to Sugiono, the dependent variable in this study is purchasing decision. Next is research stages. Next, population and sample. The first is population. According to Sugiono, population is a generalization area consisting of object or subject that have certain qualities and characteristics determined by researchers to be studied and then draw the conclusion. In this study, the target population is Xiaomi smartphone user in Lombok and Bandung. Based on the author estimate, there are around 6,000 Xiaomi smartphone user in the two areas. This is the Lombok and Bandung. The sampling is the process of selecting the right number of elements from the population. Data collection and data sources. In this study, the author uses achievement strategy, which is the primary data obtained through questionnaire and secondary data obtained from various reference. And for validity and reliability tests, in this research, the researchers conducted a questionnaire test to the respondent or the Xiaomi user as the respondent to test the validity. After the questionnaire was tested, the data were processed using SPSS software. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique used in this research is using qualitative data analysis. Qualitative data analysis is the technique that compare data between variable and another variable. This is the technique is classify its question item in the questionnaire according to the independent and dependent variable that exist in this study, so that the conclusion can be drawn from the answer that have been filled in the respondent. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.